Hello dear student, in the basic geometrical ideas lesson we are going to discuss about the curves and the polygons. Both are very important concepts. We will see what exactly curves and what is the meaning of polygon. Then on the basis of that we will go for the exercise part. So here what exactly curve? So here it is given in the presentation. You can draw some of the drawing without lifting the pencil from the paper and without the use of ruler also. These are the examples of some curve. If the curve doesn't cross itself, then it is called simple curve. For example, you can observe in this diagram here, first example, it is the example of curve. Second also, it is the example of curve. They are not crossing itself. For example, if we draw the curve like that, suppose I am drawing without lifting my pencil, suppose. So what happen? It is crossing. Suppose one more I draw, it is crossing. So that is not the simple curve. But here it is not crossing. It is not crossing. That is what the curve concept. And what is the curve? Whenever you draw the any diagram by using pencil without lifting your pencil like that or anything like this, so that is what exactly the curve. In the curve some varieties are there, and in the curve that is the important concept of geometry also. Okay, so in the plain paper we generally do the drawing by pencil like that, so that is what the curve. So here it's a simple curve. Why? Because they are not crossing itself. The curve, if they cross like that, that is not the simple curve. So these are the simple curve. In the simple curve also some types are there. So what is the difference between these two? This is something, it is closed. You see there is no window, or you can say no door is there. So it is somewhat closed, and here it is open. Here the entry part is there. So here I explain it. So what happened? Here the entry part is there. Here there is no entry part. Everything is closed. So that is what the open curve, and this is what the closed curve. So first one is open curve, second one is closed. Now here in this diagram you observe something, it is different. So here this is the inner shaded part, and in the outer part also one point is there. Inner part one point is there, and here in the boundary also one more point is there. So these are the positions, you can say. So interior. So here this one A is known as the interior point. This point is A. It is inner. You can draw many point like B also. This is also one more point, or C also one more point. So it's depend on you. Here C, that is outside the figure, outside the curve. So that is what exterior point. And if it is in boundary, like B is on the boundary, so that is what boundary of the curve. Third one is exterior, as I told you, means outside that closed curve. So that is what exterior point of the curve. So side, vertices and diagonal. This concept you will see in the polygon. So polygon means it consists of line segment like that. So this is what the polygon. It consists of straight line. Suppose if you draw the figure like that, one, we assume now this is the straight line. So that is what nothing but polygon. It consists of three line segment. So here example, here ED, AB, EA, CB, DC, they are nothing but line segment straight. So they are what? These are the sides. Okay. So here, as you know, the line segment, this is the symbol of the line segment. So it consists of lines. You can say it consists of line segment. The length is there, and there is a straight line. Okay. So that is what exactly the polygon. Now here in the polygon, there is the vertex also, like E means you can say particular point A, B, C, D, and this vertex, it just specify the starting and ending point of that side. And by using the vertices and this side, we get the polygon. So here any two sides with common end point are called adjacent side of the polygon. So here EA and AB, these are the adjacent side because they have the common point A. If I give you one more example, if you see this is one side and this is second side, here the common point is D. So it means that this is the adjacent side. These are the two adjacent sides, and here center point is, center vertex is D. So this is the concept. And E and D, these are also adjacents. For example, here E and D, these are adjacent because they are sharing one line. So E and D, these are the adjacent vertex. So here AB are the adjacent vertex because they have one common line between them. So consider the pair of vertices which are not adjacent, and join of these vertices are called diagonal of the polygon. So here if I consider the 2 point E and D, these are non-adjacent. Why these are non-adjacent? Because they are not neighboring. E and A, they are adjacent vertices because common side is there. Here E and B, these are the non-adjacent. So here what happen, you can draw there one line, and that is nothing but the diagonal. This line, it will be not straight, okay, but if you do by scale it will be straight, okay. As I am doing digitalized, it is not straight exactly, but you assume it is straight only. So EB is the line that is nothing but the diagonal. Same you can draw from here to here, from A to C, because they are not adjacent point. So that is the concept of side, vertices and polygons. Side means these are the line segment itself, these are the side. Vertices means this point, we can draw the lines between them. So these are what? These are the vertices. And diagonal means non-adjacent side that you can join by straight line. So that is what the diagonal. So here in this diagram, how many vertices are there? You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sides are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And diagonal as of now here 1 is there. You can draw many also. So that is the concept of side, vertices and diagonal. So I hope friend you understood this tutorial. If you have any doubt, you just comment me. Thank you.